Hello there, Luis Ponce here from Mind Body Motion. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And then this new series of videos, we're going to be sharing a specific information for you to learn how to work with your thinking, your thoughts. Many times we get distracted, with other things, and we forget about how our body position is, or we don't take time to take care of ourselves. We're going to be looking into the breathing part of it, how our breathing techniques or whatever habits we have right now on breathing, they're not helping us to reach our full potential and utilizing the oxygen properly. We're going to look into hydration, how hydration plays a big role on how your body moves, how much inflammation the body has due to the lack of water in our system. We're going to look into the nutrition part of it, how we feed the body so we can have enough energy through the day and have enough supply of nutrients to recover every night. We're going to look into how we're able to move better and more in efficient manner and more effective ways for you to accomplish more with less effort. And lastly, we're going to look into sleep, the recovery time, how well are you sleeping, and sleeping hygiene that plays a big role on the body restoration. So on this new series of videos, we're going to be sharing that information. And I'd like to tell you more about my personal introduction to sports therapy. 33 years ago, prior to that, obviously, I have injuries on my body. One really tore my shoulder blade on my left side, and it caused me to have constant pain. So looking for a solution on the traditional therapies, I didn't really find one till I encountered a good therapist that relieved the tension and pressure that I had on that shoulder. So from there, I started my personal journey on the sports therapy, and being a general machinist prior to becoming a therapist, I took the habits of being in the front of a lathe, leaning over in a certain way. I brought it back, and I followed the same positioning when I was working in front. I've been working in front of the table. Well, a few years back, I found out that I took a full spine X-ray, and I discovered that I have, calcified some vertebrae from some bad falls playing soccer and falling up on a ladder that caused me to have constant pain also on my lower back. And from there on, when I started to notice how I was functioning around the table, how I was applying my therapy, I started looking for ways to utilize my left hand that I wasn't using because I was injured, but also, as we talk to other massage therapists, we have a tendency to use only the right hand dominantly, and not just on our work that we do that with the computer, the mouse part all the time, causing a lot of problems on our shoulders and neck and backs. So that's the new series that we're looking to introduce to you, finding out how we can share more specific information where you can become a better functioning machine. Okay, our goal is for us to help you get more productive years in your life. Okay, I'm a 65 right now, and I can tell you all the things that I've been doing and practicing the videos that I've been showing to you from last year. It has really broke up and opened up a big awareness on what I need to be doing for myself. I feel much better now than I did 10 years ago. I'm able to move better, I'm able to run better, hike better, and I enjoy a lot the acceleration coming downhill full blast. So that's my goal, to continue doing that, playing with my grandchildren, sharing time with my wife, doing all these different things. That's important to me. And I hope you guys find these videos compelling for you to start moving and, getting to be playing around with your grandkids and enjoy that time with them. Because at the very end, that's probably what we're looking for, to spend better quality time with our families. So we're going to be showing some specific exercises that will help you have better flexibility, better mobility, stability, strength, and power. So while we must master the very basic flexibility programming of your body, if we don't have the proper flexibility and the proper separation of our joints, we're not going to be able to generate force, or meaning we're not able to move the joints. If it is already like if you're suffering from a hip joint and knee joint issues, you know that you're not able to put pressure on it because it's already out of service on our main programming coming out from our nervous system. Okay, so we'll catch you in the next video.